Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to present curved line chart, or you can say curved line graph. So it is very easy trick to create and scale the marker. So generally I will explain the small elements which is used in a line chart here. So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, and while it is hovering it is having the hover effect as like this, and here is the legend, and this is the chart title. So this chart is having the example of shopping status. So how many customers are going for shopping, like online or offline. So it will show the number or the count of the customers online and the offline. So here this tooltip is having details about the days. So like it is a Sunday, and in Sunday, like number of customers for online shopping, which is 250, and offline, which is 350. So this is covering the same way the entire week, and the hover effect, it is really easy to give here. So let's see the example first. So here in example it is the same. It is showing the title, legend, x-axis, y-axis, and the hover effect. So while I'm hovering over here, so it is showing like a day Monday, and online shopping and the offline shopping. So number of count of customers on online shopping and the offline shopping. So it is really easy to create this chart. So start with this. So I'm just copying this like example, and here for this interaction like a hover, I have used the local variable which is here. So it is displaying because this value is true. So this is the Boolean value, we can true and false. So this is the y-axis and the x-axis, which we can customize easily, and it is easy like you can type here, same way here you can type the values, and for the marker, while we are designing or we are drawing the curve line, how we can do that, it is here. So I have just passed the value. So what I will do, I will make this true and we'll see what it is exactly. So here it is showing two marker with a different color for online and offline shopping. So we'll come with the Sunday, and here's the Sunday, and here is the marker. So if I make this border or stroke appear, so easily you can see here for online shopping and the offline shopping. So online shopping and offline shopping, here you can increase and decrease the values like this easily, and this is the auto layout, so easy to scale the size. And once it is define the value, means like you place the this bar or the marker on the exact place, like if it is a 360 here, and then you started creating or drawing the chart. So this is the way you can do this. And just after completing this, you can hide the border. And the second thing is like once you have completed with this, okay, one more thing. So drawing this line, so here it is. So this is showing the curve. So using the bend tool, we can make this curve line. If you use this pen tool, it will be like this. So like one point to another point, we can use the pen tool. Just an example. And if I want to make it a curve line, we'll use the bend tool and we can make the lines accordingly. Like this, the curve value. So here it is the height. So you can make like this. And here, once it is a value is down, you can make the curve like this. So this is the easiest thing to using the bend tool, and it will come as a vector line. So it is like you can fill any color, and if in future you want to scale this, so easily you can scale this line also. And filling the color, you can easily give the color here. And if you want to make it like a darker in a color, or this stroke is like if you want to give it the more, so it will be more darker. So this is the drawing the curve line. So once first you place this bar, and you can give this marker. So in here, just make this visible, and marker you can on this, so just true, and you can make the marker, and then you can draw the line accordingly. So this is the same for all the days. And then you can come up with this local variable, and the interaction is given here. So first I will make it hidden, and then this small marker, which is like online marker and the offline marker. So this both is having the same variable passed here. So once you look at this, this is the on, and it is given here sun over, and here also sun over. So you can see like both marker is having the same variable. And even for the this line and this hover effect, which is described here as a Sunday footer tooltip, so this is also passed through the sun hover. So this is attached variable, which is in local variable. And then next is for this tooltip, which is having the same variable passed here also as a sun hover. And this is created as a component, so easy to enter the header as a day's name. And then online shopping, number of online shopping and number of offline shopping. So this component is kept here, which is having all those text property. So it is easy to change the color, and if you are going to use some other text, so here only you need to just change this, and these values you can enter from the text property. So next is how this hover effect is working. So here you can see, once I have passed this value or attached this value local variable, so it is getting like hidden. So here I have this Sunday, and the Sunday is now appearing. So once I make it false, it will get disappear and appear. So entering the value from here, it is the one of the best thing, because this is a component. And the second thing is the interaction. So now this is having the interaction of the mouse hover. Just it is a simple interaction while hovering. Set variable sun hover, so this is the variable true, and while mouse leave, it will be false, so it will get hidden. So this is the way we can create, and this is the simplest trick to create the exact line chart with the hover effect. And to creating the curve, it is also easy, and you can use the multiple lines or multiple chart in a same page using the same variable. Or if you want to make it some more variable, you can create. And this is the easiest way to create the local variable here as a boolean, and you can give the interaction as a true and false. So now the next, if we are going to enter the values for the different tooltip, so what we will do here, just we will make it the true, and you can enter the values, and you can arrange this tooltip accordingly, because it is getting overlap over here for the different values, because we have the less space for this Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So accordingly you can enter the values here. So this file is uploaded in Figma community. Easily you can use and customize as per your uses. So how is the lesson? Please write on the comment. For today, thank you very much.